welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a search for beautiful flowers, and this is our first flower we have approached. It's an altar lily flower, as you can see, and it's actually pretty, it's not as detailed, but it's mostly like white on the outside, and inside is like this kind of like carrot shaped orange shaped carrot. And yeah, inside you might not be able to see, but there's like these little like tingly stuff inside, like these kind of like little like whatever they're called, like they're little like spikes, but not that sharp. And yeah, so we're going on to our next flower. This flower looks kind of like bluish, I guess, or purplish. It's faded a little bit, maybe because of the sun, and some of them have dried up. But anyway, I don't know really what this flower is, so if you know, just I
think it's a bluebell.
Oh, bluebell. Okay, we'll go on to our next flower now. This flower is very ordinary. It has like a long stick along its side, and it has like six edges, and inside like very colorful. Not as colorful, but still colorful. Like has like this yellow orangey color, and just you can see maybe a little bit of red, bronzish. And yeah, we'll go on to our next flower now, which is like, oh, this is a very beautiful flower. Like it's an orange kind of flower. It has lots of like sides, like each, what do you call it, whatever they are. And inside has lots of detail. Like they have like this different type of like dots. You can see maybe like a bit of pollen. I think inside there's pollen. And yeah, so that's our third flower, I think. And we'll go on to our next flower, the fourth flower. And yeah, so we approach our next flower, which is like a purplish flower, kind of. From our perspective, from your perspective, might be like a bit of pinkish color, and it's also a bit not really faded because it's like made like that way. But some of the flowers are faded, but some of them are not. So inside is like pretty white-ish and orangish in the middle, like very deep inside. And on the outside, it's like, yeah, it's beautiful. The flowers like very beautiful, whatever I said just now. And we'll go on to our next sixth flower now. These are like very small flowers. They have a lot of pollen. I think that's pollen inside, if I'm right. And they're very small, which I've never seen many small flowers. And they're very like, some of them, the colors are different with different, like you may see like a bit of purplish on other flowers. And yeah, so we'll go on to our next flower, which is let's just say this flower is like a white flower.
White roses.
White roses with like not much color, a bit faded, and turns into a bit of red color, and not much. Some of them is dried up. And yeah, so inside I don't know what that is, but yeah, just like this, yeah. And this is like ordinary kind of flower. It doesn't really have much inside of it. It's just literally the outside that is like very red color, pinkish color. And yeah, so that's the flower. And this one, maybe you guys know, but I probably don't know. It's like kind of like purplish pinkish, and inside I don't know what that is, maybe like a bit of different color pollen maybe or something. And yeah, it's very windy, so you may not be able to see these flowers.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very beautiful. Like inside it has like, it looks like coal, but like very dried up coal, like when you use it to steer a train, you use like petrol. And we'll go on to our, I think, our
next one,
second last flower. What is this? What is this? This one I don't really know what it is, but it's very dark purplish, I would say, and it's a bit white on the outside, pinkish, and inside is like, I don't know, like this some kind of like I don't think you can probably see it, but yeah, I'll just move on now to our next flower. This is another flower sunflower. I can't really see it because I'm very far away. It's like a purplish, it's very ordinary, weird because it has like this long bottom type on
You
the
can see a
bottom.
bee there.
Yeah, there's lots of bees here. It looks like it's like some kind of acorn without the flower top, like some kind of hard wooden thing, whatever. And on the top it only has 2 leaves, which is very ordinary. Some of them have 4 or 3. And yet we'll go on to the next flower.
Okay.
This is a sunflower, and this has a lot of quite a bit of pollen, and on the outside it's called probably sunflower because it's kind of yellowish on the outside, and the sun is probably yellow, and inside it's not very the same, but yeah, inside has lots of like sticky parts. Pollen's very sticky and could cause you itchiness, and yeah. Go on.
Nice, isn't it?
This one looks very beautiful. It is very small, but looks beautiful. It looks like it has lots of like sides, and inside has a lot of, I think it's also pollen, but it's more clear to see. Like you can see the pollen more clear than before as a sunflower.
Yeah, this on the street.
This flower's on the street as well as the sunflower's also on the street. And yeah, this one's done. After the white rose, we have a pink rose here, and as on the outside it's like faded, as you might say, and in the inside is very pinkish, and yeah,
Lots of different layers, isn't it?
has a lot of different layers, and has red roses have a bit of like, they have like this spike, and it's really, we're just aware of ourselves, and yeah, so we'll go on to our last flower. This will be our last flower we approach. This is just I forgot what the name was, whatever.
I think this is so-called tea flower, I think.
Yeah, and this one is like about to bloom because it's gonna bloom right now, spring in here, and it's about to bloom. We're gonna check another one that's already
We're
bloomed.
gonna show you here.
We're gonna be finishing this off by showing you the flower that's already bloomed, like the one that wasn't bloomed, but this is like whatever it's very detailed, same as like the red rose. It was very detailed, but yeah, it looks very beautiful by the color, like pinkish. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the video and subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Bye.